Oh man, today's gonna be special because my friend's picking me up right now and we're gonna be picking up his Kawasaki 636 Ninja. Oh man, first Japanese bike that I ride after a very, very long time, and I'm really looking forward to it. So I'm gonna have this bike for an entire week, and my friend Mike is really cool to let me keep it. Initially I wanted to take it for like a day or two, but since he's traveling a lot, he was like, why don't you just take it for the whole week? So I was like, all right, sure, why not? This way I get to create some awesome content for you guys. What's up?
What up?
You gonna ride today?
Sure, yeah, I'm down to ride.
Just got to Mike's house, and he's out in the garage right now playing with the toys. What's up, Mike?
Long time to see. What's up, man? How you doing?
636. She's a beaut, man. Any of you guys should know about it?
It's GP shift.
Okay.
So it's going to be upside down. It's going to be really stiff for you because it's
Suspension-wise?
suspension is set for my weight and it's completely maxed out. The rear sets are aftermarket, so it's a very aggressive seating position. Quick shift are only going up. And other than that, it's your standard 636.
Well, I'm pretty used to GP shift because I had my cup bike.
I have the traction control in the lowest setting, but it doesn't step out at all, ever.
What's the horsepower on this?
It's fast.
Let's ask Google.
It's fast.
What year is it?
19.
Oh, so it's a brand new bike. Okay.
I mean, it's got 15,000 on it already.
Yeah, you got a wire sticking out? What is this?
Oh, it's your idle adjustment.
Got it. So everything is stock basically. Nothing has changed, and you got an exhaust on it.
Yeah, Yoshimura Alpha-T. You know, obviously for a 600, the power band is way lower. It kicks in around 6,500 as opposed to where normally, you know, you have to be above 10, 11 on 600.
6,400 it kicks in.
Yeah,
that's not bad actually.
Yeah, I mean, it's that extra 36 cc's, and then for the 19s, they changed the sprockets.
All right, Mike. I'll take care of her, man. At night, I'll lock her up.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
See you, bro. All right, I'll follow you. This bike has GP shift, so I gotta get used to it. Oh, yes. First ride of the 2019 Kawasaki 636. Finally getting a Japanese bike on the channel, courtesy of Mike. You guys gotta check him out on TikTok. He's got some really cool videos. Surprisingly, the bike is super comfortable because he said that the suspension is dialed in for his weight, but let me tell you, coming from these aggressive Ducatis, these Italian superbikes, to something like this, regardless of how aggressive these bikes are set up suspension-wise, it's still not as bad as a race bike like a Ducati. Oh, sounds so good. I thought it was going to be a lot bigger than this, but man, it's pretty comfortable. It's a good compact size actually. It's got a nice big fuel tank. Smooth power delivery. Finally, a Japanese bike on the channel. Finally. Drop a gear, disappear. Oh, sounds so good. Quick shifter is smooth as butter, man. sounds so good. Oh man! 12,000 RPM! Woo! It sounds so good! Oh, that scream! I feel a vibration on my booty. If I was a girl right now, I would enjoy it a lot. Feeling it in my nether regions. No wonder Mike likes riding this bike a lot. Quick shifter on this is so smooth. I didn't expect that. Feels planted, man. Feels so planted. So the type of content that I'm going to be creating for this bike is obviously this is going to be the first one. I want to do like because some people just buy this bike as their only bike, so I want to do like an ownership experience video, a full review obviously, a sound video, and a whole bunch of stuff. So if you're tuning in for the first time and it's the first video you watched, make sure to like this video and subscribe, because there's going to be a ton more videos coming along as part of this series. The seat is really comfortable too, man. I didn't expect that. Oh yeah, rolling thunder. This thing is fantastic. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me for another episode, man. I am so excited to have this 2019 Kawasaki ZX-6R in my possession. This is a 636cc motor, and I have no idea how many horsepower it does, how many horsepower it has, but once I figure this stuff out, I'll report back to you guys. Stay tuned for the next episode, and I will see you guys soon. Just so you know, I have this bike for an entire week now. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.